It's bathing time for the kitten. Unbeknownst. Alright.
Oh my gosh. I love you, little kitten. Fun. Yay, bath time. Step in the wet. He's like, uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna make this go over here. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. That's my good kitty. Yes, yes, you're a good little kitten. Sitting in the sun. Yes, you are. It's gonna get in his ears. He might shake his head. Alright, step one. A little bit more. Kitten shampoo time. Oh, it'll be over quickly, I promise. Yeah, what's that? You wanna hold on to that and I'll wash your chesty? You're such a good boy. We're gonna rinse the balls because nobody wants balls, so. You are such a good boy. We're almost done. I'm gonna wash your little face and then we dry you. Okay? Here we go. Close your eyes. I know, baby. It's okay, it's okay. Such a good kitty. Oh. You didn't even pee. I can't believe it. Good boy. You got the shivery. Yeah. Good boy. Shivering and purring together. Yes, you are.
Can we get Q-tips?
Here we go. Look at, this is your home. You haven't even seen all of this yet. An obnoxious bark, loud. They don't stop and function. It goes like this.
Oh, it got too hot. Do you need help?
Yeah. First we get you all wet. Boy, yes you are. Such a good boy. Yeah. Reachy than your cousin is. Yeah. Just want to snuggle me, but you don't crawl at me for some strange reason, which I am very good with kindness. Oh, I know.
He's like, this sucks.
You're such a good boy, baby.
Is he?
Yes.
Thought he was gonna be a lot. Yeah. he looks pretty freaky wet.
Oh, who's a cold little boy? Little baby kitten. That's the Christmas tree. And over in the corner is your very own kitty condo.
He's like, dry me.